Hello, this is Roberto from Diego Auto Repair. Today I work in a 2013 Hyundai Genesis 3.8 engine. I'm going to show you procedure how to replace the rear brake pad. Okay. First thing, don't forget resurface the rotors. And after you resurface the rotor, clean inside the emergency brake component and adjust it. Also, just lubricate the caliper when the brake pad is going. This way, when you stop in the brake, they hold the brake pad and let it go and release so easy the brake pad. I have it ready here, the brake pad. This is very important. Replace the chims and lubricate the brake pad. This way you don't hear no squealing noise, no vibration when you do that this way. Chims, oil chims, and the lubricate. We go install it that one first. Okay. This is the second one. The same way. The chims and the grease. All right. Then we have the bracket, and also it is very important lubricate this. Very important, clean it and lubricate. This is the special grease for a brake job. So go this way, and then here, and also here. This is the pins. Also, this is lubricated already, but I mean. And we go this way. You can hit the pin, but very gentle because this is easy to damage. All right, it is the whole procedure. So then I always like a new rack, spray brake cleaner. And take this part of contamination they have at the rotor. Take it out, wipe it up. This way, brake pad is clean. You don't worry about it for contamination with grease. Remember, any question you can call Diego Auto Repair. Ask for Roberto. I'm here. Telephone number is 702-778-3779. Thank you.